Ready to wipe the slate clean and give your Squarespace website a fresh, brand new start? First, dive into your Squarespace dashboard and locate the Site Styles panel. This is where all your design customizations live. Scroll down through the Site Styles panel. You'll see all the different settings you might have: tweaked fonts, colors, spacing, and more. Now, look for an option, usually at the very top or bottom of this panel, labeled something like Reset Defaults or a similar reset function. It might be a small icon or a button. Clicking this will prompt a confirmation Squarespace wants to make sure you really mean it, so read the confirmation message carefully. Once confirmed, all your custom styling will be removed, restoring your Squarespace template to its original, default state. It's like unboxing a brand new template. You've now successfully reset your Squarespace template, giving you a clean canvas to begin designing your website from scratch, or to implement new ideas without the baggage of previous tweaks. Experiment and redesign with confidence. For more Squarespace tips, hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos.